Hi guys, welcome to my brand new channel here on YouTube. Today we're going to be looking at Lamborghinis and the idiots that drive them. Let's get to it. He's cracked the windscreen. His missus is absolutely furious. She was loving it up until then too. Play it cool, buddy. Over to the UK now, and it looks to be some kind of spotter event. Bet he's telling him to drive safe. At least the spotters got what they wanted. Asia now, and we've even got our own mask wearing host to help us out. If you didn't see it, the Lambo comes into shot just here. He tries to overtake the turning car. To Shanghai for some quality live leak footage. I don't have a clue what the text is saying, but I've been informed the guy was probably drunk. I believe this clip is from the United Arab Emirates. A squad cruising through town. Friendly guy back here, he's trying his best. It's always a good sign when the clip starts with a bit of smoke. Oh, there it is. I don't think the hazard lights are really necessary at this point. I'm gonna guess this is the owner over here, probably reflecting on his choices. That hasn't gone well at all. This last clip is pretty insane. Got a few Irish travellers joyriding in a Lamborghini, playing around with the police. Are they going to stop? Of course not. Nothing like a bit of self-incriminating evidence. Guy in the middle here, loving life, having a few bevies. I'll end it there. Thanks for watching guys, I'll see you next time.